Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. Comes equipped with a 2.7-liter turbo max engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather, heated ventilated seats, as well as Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires, Multimatic spool valve dampers, rock rails, and so much more. Come check it out. Alright, moving on to the interior. We're going to have this gray and black interior with paneling cup holder storage at the bottom, equipped with the Bose speaker sound system. Comes up to the power locks, mirrors, and windows with the seat memory, chrome accent handle. You're gonna have these rock rails here and these heated and ventilated leather seats, super comfortable. And left side you'll have your vents and as well as your integrated brake controller. And left side of the steering wheel will be your cruise control and forward collision alert, with the right side being your voice recognition, heated steering wheel, and odometer screen switch. And it switches through different animations here, your Google Maps, as well as your forward gap adjuster. You got your G-force there with your pitch and roll and transfer case, and just your simple design. And onto the infotainment, equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, built-in Google Assistant and Maps. Here you access vehicle status. That's going to give you information on the whole truck, 360 view, maintenance gauges and trip info. Again, you can access your front, rear, and 360-degree camera, as well as your parallel mirror cams and park assist with built-on Amazon Alexa, and as well as off-road and air down mode, which lets you target pressure for all 4 tires across rocky terrain. And you're going to have the dual zone climate controls with your center and rear locking diff, lane keep assist, and auxiliary power, with 2 USB ports as well as a wireless charger pad. And you got the center console with drive mode selector there and extra storage. Passenger side, same finish but manually adjustable, the yellow accents all the way across. You got your ZR2 Bose speakers up top, and then here you could access your reading lamps, OnStar and SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you get these 17-inch aluminum wheels on Goodyear Territory mud terrain tires. You're gonna have the black hood scoop there. Comes to the front, you're gonna have the skid plates with the black mirror caps and body style keyless entry door handles. You're gonna get the Multimatic spool valve damper with the ZR2 badging, the black corner step bumper, trailer hitch, 5th wheel just under. In the back here, you got 8 bed tie downs with your AC ball port. It's a very spacious rear. And onto the rear interior, you get cup holder storage next to the speaker, power window with chrome accent. On the back, pretty decent legroom, storage behind the passenger and driver's side, with rear cup holders, rear vents, and USB ports. AC ball port in the center. Cup holder and armrest with the manual rear sliding window, lamps up top, and the handles on the side there. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2025 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, equipped with a 2.7-liter turbo engine, as well as Multimatic spool valve dampers, heated ventilated leather seats, skid plates, mud terrain tires, and so much more. Thanks so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.